Good morning, class. This week's vocabulary is from the story Seeker of Knowledge. This is your first vocabulary word is ancient of times long past. This is of ancient Egypt. So these were some of the buildings or monuments, I should say, that were built in ancient Egypt. The next one is link. Link, anything that joins or connects as a loop of a chain does. So for instance, these are all links that are connecting to each other to make the chain. Link. Scholars. Scholars are people who dedicate themselves to studying and learning. They are people having much knowledge. So in this picture, it's showing these people have just graduated from a certain subject or area of study, and they are considered scholars just as you guys are as students. You are scholars. Seeker. Seeker is one who tries to find or one who searches. In our story of the week, it's called Seeker of Knowledge. So these guys here are seeking something out, looking for something from the past. Seeker. Temple is a building used for the service or worship of God or gods. In this picture is a Buddhist temple. So this is where people meet together to have service or worship. Translate, to change from one language into another. As you can see, hello in English is in Spanish, hola, or French in bonjour, saying bonjour, or ni hao in Mandarin. Then you have Korean and Hindi and Japanese, and I don't know those, so you can try to say those yourself. Translate. Triumph, victory or success. In this picture, it's showing that somebody just won a big trophy for winning. They had some victory of some sort, so they got the gold medal or the gold trophy. They succeeded above everyone else and had success. Uncover, to make known, reveal, or expose. Reveal was one of our words from the past in Wordly Wise, to make known. Uncover means the same thing, to uncover the truth. Have a great week.